In this video, I'll show you an easy way to stack data on top of one another in Google Sheets. So the example I have here is essentially stock price information that is split across three different tabs. So I have data from 1980 to 2000 in one tab, data from 2001 to 2010 in another tab, and data from 2011 to 2016 in a third tab. So what I want to do is combine or stack the data from these three tabs into this fourth raw data combined tab. So obviously one very manual way to do this is to just copy paste each of these data sets and then just paste it on top of one another in this tab. But this can be very manual if you have several of these sheets that you want to kind of combine or stack up together. So the way I'm going to show you is using a simple formula. So obviously the first step here is to make sure the column headers are the same across all the tabs. So make sure that you just exactly copy paste these column headers and they should be the same across all the tabs. Once you have that all set, in the second row, you can use a formula that looks like this. So the first step is basically to use open braces. So you have to enclose everything in open and close braces. And then just copy the range, enter here the range of the data for each of those source tabs. So example, for this first tab, we have raw data 1980 to 2000, columns A2 until G5068. And then you do that for all three tabs. And what you want to do is just separate them with this semicolon over here. So two important things here. One is the open and close braces, and the second is separating each range with a semicolon. So once you do that and hit enter, it will then populate data across the three tabs and stack them up together in one nice long data set. So as you can see here, we now have data from 2016 backfilled until 1980. So yeah, this seems to work very well. And we were essentially able to stack up data from three different sheets into one sheet here using a simple formula like this. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.